going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. This video is obviously a little bit different from what we usually do on this channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So without any unnecessary intro, we've got this very conspicuous looking box here. So I'm going to go ahead and try to do the camera here and also cut this open without cutting my finger. And also not dropping the tripod here. And let's see what we got inside. Alright, no surprise here. Got an iPhone box sitting right here. And I already spoiled it, but we got the Pacific Blue here. And wow, so other channels have already kind of spoiled it, that this box is super thin. And when they say it's super thin, they're not joking. For context, here's my thumb. So this is like two of my thumbs, which is pretty nuts. But I'm sure nobody came here to see me measure a box with my thumbs. So let's get into taking this plastic off. That is super satisfying. Never gets old. All right. And with that, let's go ahead and let's move that plastic out of the way a little bit first. Let's go ahead and lift this up. And there you have it. There is the 12 Pro Max sitting right on top, face down. Let's pick that up and move that over. And let's see what else we get in this here. So obviously we've got our charger right here. And as everyone has already kind of beat the dead horse, there is no charging brick. So there's some Apple stickers and books in here that nobody reads. As per usual, nothing surprising there. So let's go ahead and move that over. And let's do the honors of taking off this plastic here. This is super boxy, like obviously like the iPhone 4. So also feels really good in the hand. But let's take that plastic off. And let's just go ahead and hit the power button, actually. Get this guy powered on. I'm assuming it's charged. They usually come charged. Maybe not. Ah, there we go. All right. And yeah, there you really have it. So a little bit of a backstory to this. I actually was not planning on getting the new iPhone, but you know, one of my family members actually needed a new device. So things kind of happened in a way where I just ended up getting one. I'm going to be doing all future videos with this device. This will be my daily driver. It's kind of excited to get it, so let's see if the camera here can focus a little bit better. But yeah, so we're going to have the iPhone 12 Pro Max now in all the videos, and this is what I'll be using as my personal device. I may or may not do a review. Let me know if you guys want to see a review, my thoughts on it. I know this is a Swift and programming and apps channel, so I'll try to stick to that. But if y'all are interested in seeing it, definitely don't hesitate to leave a comment down below. And there you have it, iPhone 12 Pro Max unboxing in Pacific Blue. And before I actually wrap up here, the color actually looks pretty nice. It's a little bit on the kind of grayish side, but I'm not entirely surprised. That's kind of what it looks like to begin with. And knowing Apple, their tones are a little more muted, with the exception of the product red, which is like more of a orangish kind of color, but still looks pretty cool. That's the side there. Once again, boxy as expected. And yeah, there you have it. So thanks for watching. Leave a like down below if you haven't done so already. Catch you guys in the next video.